Ding ding ding.
Huh? What I say?
Ding ding ding.
Ding, 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 ding.
Yes,
What
ding
does it
ding
mean?
ding.
Yes, what do you mean?
Uh, I see you also say you also like when you're communicating with someone and you don't know the name of that place or the thing that you're talking about, or you forget something and you want to say, oh, the ding ding ding. That's what you say.
All right, I think I get it. Or you mean like when we want to say something
And then you
and then we forget,
get.
and then we start to say that one, something like
Uh-huh.
that. Or ningirikini. That's what you mean?
Yes.
Ningirikini.
Ding ding ding.
Huh?
Yes, ding ding ding.
I think don't know about this one. I don't even know the meaning in English. I think it's something like that one, something like that. Like in Urdu. I think you say what you say. Kia.
Yeah, whoa.
Kia.
We say whoa cheese, whoa wali cheese.
Yes, something like that. You
Yeah.
see?
So,
Yeah.
but in Shona is really interesting.
Yeah.
I was, when I was first time, it was for me. It was really interesting. Saying, ring, ring, ring. What is this one? You mean
You
ring,
guys,
ring,
I
ring?
hear what the brother is saying. All right.
Yeah, but I think now I'm used to, because now I know that okay, they are forgetting something. That's why they're saying, oh, ding, 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 ding.
Okay. What
Eh,
else?
All right, and then I think go goi.
Gogoi.
Yes,
All
go
right. You know Gogoi, you understand, right?
Yes, when you're entering someone's house, so
Yes.
someone rooms.
Or you can say Tishikeo.
Tishikyo.
Tishikeo, that's the another word, yes.
All right, Tishikyo.
Yes.
And then papsoro, yeah.
Pamsoro.
When you start to eat food.
Yes. Pamsoro. But in Pakistan, there's no Pamsoro.
Yeah, just eat.
Yeah, when I was in Pakistan, people they used to laugh at me. So because I'm used to Pamsoro, so when I would say Pamsoro, they say Pastor Cotton, what are you trying to say?
Just eat food.
Just eat food. There's no Pamsoro.
Yeah.
Yes.
Different places, different culture.
Very true. I hear Mrora saying Ningrikini.
Ding ding ding. I don't know how to pronounce. Okay.
Never mind about that one.
All right.
Yeah.